Allergy season is upon us. Let's make some shower steamers, shall we? Okay, we're going to put some menthol crystals. I've already got those weighed out. I've already got my fragrance weighed out. This is lavender and chamomile essential oils. We're going to pour that right in to start dissolving those menthol crystals. We are also going to be adding some 70% rubbing alcohol. Add a little stir. All right, we're just going to set this off to the side, let it do its thing. In here, I already have my baking soda weighed out. We are now going to be adding cornstarch, cream of tartar, and kaolin clay. So let's see, the cornstarch. Cream of tartar. I'm almost completely out of steamers. I believe I have half a dozen left. I make 4 different scents. That's it. I try to keep it simple. And I think I'm down to like 6. I sold a lot of them. 2 weeks ago, we had our first event of the season and I sold out of a lot of different things. A lot of different things. All right, kaolin clay is next. All right. Give that a little whisk. All right, next thing is we're going to add a little bit of light oil. I'm using grapeseed. I do not color my steamers, I leave them white. I am going to be using one of the molds that we print and sell. It's in the shape of a nose. I've been doing this for years now. People really get a kick out of it when they come by my booth and they see that I have shower steamers in the shape of a nose. So to differentiate each one of my scents, like I said, I only do 4. I just paint the nostrils on each one of the steamers, and that tells me what scent is what. You can find that mold up on soap-chef.com or on Etsy at Soap Chef Molds. All right, we're gonna leave that alone. I'm going to go and stick this in the microwave just for like 10 seconds. That's it, probably not even that, and it will help to dissolve the rest of these crystals. Hold please. Okay, let's give a little stir. Just want to make sure that all those menthol crystals are dissolved, and they are. So at this point, we're going to go ahead and get our mask on. me get some stuff out of the way here. Okay, menthol crystals, our fragrance, which is essential oils, and rubbing alcohol into the pool. And mix. Get in there with your hands. Okay, the last thing we have to add is our citric acid. Right, get in there and mix that in. Okay, I am not going to be using the outer shell, the outer shell or the plunger piece. It's not necessary. I'm only going to be using the cup. It's easier and faster. And then I just give a couple little pushes with my fingers. Once I have it in there and I've leveled it off. And let me turn it around so you guys can actually see. How cute. Look at that nose. And like I said, I just paint each nostril a different color. And that's how I know which scent is which, as well as the customer. I'll do one more. Such an easy recipe, such an easy process. Go get this mold. It's so cute. Your customers are just going to be talking about it. I know mine do. Every time they come into the booth, they're like, do you have shower steamers? And I keep them by the checkout stand in a really tall rack, so it is clearly visible, but they do continue to ask. And then I tell them, yes, they're right here. And then they go over and they take a look at them and they always laugh. Oh my God, it's a nose. And there you go, you guys. It couldn't be easier. It couldn't be quicker. Look at how nice and smooth, no cracks, no crumbling. And the shape of that nose is just so cute. Come on, you gotta love that for a shower steamer. Okay, that's gonna do it for this video. I have to wrap things up here. I've got so much to do. I've got another event coming up in 2 days. So we'll see you on the next one. Be kind and stay humble. Take care of yourselves.